Hello and welcome back to The Broken Doll. And today I come to you, and I'm talking the daytime too, everybody. There is sunshine out there, no stars and no moon. Anyhow, we are at 5, well it's 5 to 5. Before I show you what's in this box, I saw this doll on eBay and it was at a very little bit of small amount of money. I think the shipping was more than the doll itself, if I remember correctly. But regardless, it's an avenue that I want to go down into restoring dolls. And I've done composition, I've looked at vinyl, and now I want to try bisque. Now this doll here has a replacement body. I'm well aware. This is a practice doll. Like I was saying even yesterday, buy yourself something cheap to work on, and if you muck it up, oh well, you know, you try, you do your best, you know, and you grow from those dolls that you start with. So let's take a look at what I got myself into here. So I'm going to pull this doll out. You see how well packed it was. Very nicely packed so far, as I'm seeing. Oh, very nice. It's a small doll. It's not a very big doll at all. I thought it'd be a nice size for me to start on and to, you know, get involved in. So let's go for it. I can get into it. There we go. Okay. Okay, I don't want to reveal the head just yet. He's a cute little gaffer. I think it's a boy, too. I'm going to say it's a boy anyways. Well, he's very well protected. Like, this is... There we go. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. He's loosely strung, too, which is fine because he's going to come all apart. Oh, my goodness, he's cute. Oh, wow. This is him. Oh my word. He's a little boy doll. Let's get him so he's looking, yeah, he's very loosely constructed here. But we can get him to, now this is a replacement body, but it's a nice size for him and everything once I get him looked after. But he's been broke, as you can see. And this is what I want to learn how to do. Now he's been re-glued. I wish he wasn't. I wish I could get him where I had to re-glue him. But I want to see about sealing this up. I was watching a gentleman on eBay doing this, and filling this little hole up here too, and he has what do they call those inset eyes? Intelio. Okay, somebody out there is going to know the right name for those eyes, those inset eyes. Oh, he's gorgeous. Let's see who made him. It says number 3 Germany on the back, and that's who made him. Boy, he's had quite the drop. When he fell, I bet you someone's heart broke, and that's why they glued him back together. So nice. The gluing of this doll is very nice. I hope you can see him. He's just a cute little guy with the 2 little teeth. And they probably smashed the body too with it. That's probably why they went with a replacement body. But, oh, I'm glad they saved him though. Oh, he's just gorgeous. And this is something I want to work on. And see about sealing this up, repainting, like airbrushing this here. And just see what we can do for him. Sometimes, you know, the best you can do is what has been done for him. We maybe can get some flesh tone up in here for him, where it's a little bit on the white side. But we're going to have to see what we can do. But other than that, he's a cutie. Not much has really happened in the face except down in here, but he's just gorgeous. He needs a good cleaning and everything. We'll do some goop on him, and we'll fix this up here. Some milliput up in there. Maybe I can go up inside the head or on top. We can just smooth it right down. Maybe even some, I don't know, I don't want to try spackling. I think I'll go with my, the milliput on him. But oh my goodness, he's just gorgeous. But I don't know his name or anything, but it says Germany 3 on him. But anyways, wow, what a beautiful doll. But anyways, I hope you enjoy seeing this box opening here. And there'll be more to come on him down the road. It's just another avenue that I want to go down because I've had some instances where I would like to work on these dolls, but I just don't know how. And this scares me a little bit for the lack of knowledge. That's what they scare me about. So, and learning how to You know, I saw a guy like literally take a doll that was broken like this, and the lines were gone. So something I want to look at and see. You know, I want to study him some more, see what he's done. Maybe I can do the same thing. But if he can do it, I know I can do it. I love his little replacement body, but I bet his body before this said more on it about him too, I bet. I imagine, you know. But hey, this is a gorgeous little body for him. It's perfect to his head size and everything. So just needs some tightening up in the way he goes. But I don't think he's got elastic. He's cord. There should be a, yeah, there's not, no, that's not good enough. He needs elastic cord in there. So anyways, it's just rope. That's what that is, just rope in there. Small rope. We need some elastic cord in there, so we'll restring him better than what he is right now. But, oh, he's gorgeous. I love everything about him. But anyhow, and then we'll get him a nice little suit of clothes to put on. Maybe have some little overalls or something, you know, to his time period. But, okay, everybody, I hope you enjoy seeing him. And he's a delightful little character. But anyways, we'll talk to you again soon. We'll be coming back with more with the Shirley Temple. I've been looking at her, and it looks like that this coat really did it for her. I was taking her outside there and taking a look at her. I took her out and took a look at her, and I think that last coat did it for her. It covered up what needed to be covered, and I don't think she's going to need a coat 6. I'm going to try it again. The sun's right up over my, like in my yard now, more prominent than ever, and before it was behind me, so now the sun is right in my yard, so I'm going to take her back out and just give her one more good look over, and if she looks like she's covered up pretty good, we're done, and we're going to the next step for her. So, but anyways, there we go. I love them. All right. Thanks again for joining me. We'll be coming back down the road. This is a down the road doll that will have to be done. So anyways, thanks for joining me, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.